Hi friends, welcome back to Kawaii Bath & Body. My name's Amber. Here at Kawaii Bath & Body, we create bath and body products inspired by anime and all things kawaii. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we make our luxurious summer love body butter scented in Love Spell. In this metal bowl, I've combined shea butter, cacao butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and avocado oil. I'm using the double boil method to melt our butters to avoid burning. Once the butters have successfully melted, we set it aside to cool down a bit before transferring to a bowl and popping it in the freezer for about 8 hours or until it's hardened. Once it looks like this, we transfer it to our KitchenAid stand mixer and whip it until it's light and fluffy. When it becomes our desired texture, it's divided between 2 bowls. In each bowl, I've added the Love Spell scent, Skin Safe Mica, and Arrowroot. Next, I lay down a sheet of press and seal and spread both colors next to each other before sealing the sheet. For this body butter, we're going to be using 6-ounce jars and 2-ounce jars. These jars have already been washed and sanitized. I have a piping bag and tip ready to go. This is the tip that I prefer to use. Now we'll slide our press and seal into our piping bag and then give the bag a little squeeze. It'll help bring the color down to the tip. Once that's done, we'll be ready to begin. I always start with a dollop in the middle and then work my way around the jar. Voila, we're finished. I absolutely love how these turned out. They smell divine and I love this color combination. If you would like to purchase one of these for yourself or a loved one, they're available now at kawaiibathandbody.com. If you like this video, be sure to follow us on TikTok, IG, and Facebook. If there's something you would like for us to make next, comment your suggestions down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.